And here we go. Now, so far, we've been using React to show only one page in the browser, right? Most websites, guess what? They have several pages. So, how do we implement different pages in React? So, React applications are single page applications where only one HTML file is sent down to the browser from the server. So what happens when we do want to see different pages, like a home page and an about page or a contact page and all that stuff? So from the start, if we are in a browser and we make a request to the home page, we will make that initial request to the server, and then we get a response, which is the index.html page that goes to the browser. Now, React is going to look at this thing right here and say, okay, I know you want the home page, so I'm going to load up the home component. So app.js is just sitting at the top, and that is the root component, and that will always be showing in the browser. But React is going to inject the home component inside the app.js, right? So we see that home component when we go to /home. And this is what the React routers are doing. Okay. Now, how do we make the next request inside this component? For instance, we have a nav bar in our app and we want to click a link on it and then go to an about page. How does that work? All right, let's have a look. We make that request, but it doesn't go to the server. Instead, the React router catches requests and doesn't send them to the server. It's going to serve up the about component, and it injects it into the app.js. So that's what the React router does. It stops requests from going to the server because we only need that index.html file every time, so there will be no point in sending it over and over and over again. So instead, it just injects the component it needs to. So this is the main point of the React router. All right, so to see how we work with the React router, let's create a new project. Now I'm going to flip back over to my editor and open up my project directory. And I'm going to say create React app, and I will give it a name of React router, just like that. And I'm going to end this right here. We'll take a bit of a break, and in the next video, we're going to put together our application. Stay tuned.